Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best heat tape is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast looking to protect their pipes from freezing during the harsh winter months, ensuring a continuous flow of water and preventing costly damage that can result from burst pipes. This innovative product offers a reliable and energy-efficient solution to keep your water systems operational even in the coldest temperatures, providing peace of mind and safeguarding your property against the unpredictable elements. Number 5. Frost King HC6A Automatic Electric Heat Kit. Introducing the Frost King HC6A Automatic Electric Heat Kit. This 6-foot heating cable is designed to keep your water flowing even in extreme cold. With a powerful 120V and 7 WFT rating, it effectively prevents freezing down to -40°F. It's versatile enough to be used on both metal and plastic water pipes, ensuring protection for various setups. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free, saving you time and effort. Ensure a consistent water supply all winter long with this reliable heating solution. What we like. This one is a great option for shorter pipe runs. If you have a specific, smaller section of pipe that needs protection, especially in very cold climates, this is a straightforward choice. Its simplicity makes it ideal for quick fixes or protecting exposed spigots. What people say. The tape is easy to install and provides consistent heat. It effectively prevents pipes from freezing even in very cold temperatures. The self-regulating feature ensures it doesn't overheat, making it safe to use. Number 4. HEATIT 40 feet ETL Certified Self-Regulating Heat Cable. Ensure your peace of mind with our ETL certified heating cable. It's fully certified from end to end, guaranteeing exceptional performance and reliability. Remember, true safety comes with complete certification, not just a certified plug. Protect your pipes from freezing in temperatures as low as -40°F. This energy-efficient cable maintains water flow while reducing electricity costs. It's backed by up to $2 million in product liability insurance for added security. Our versatile heating cable is designed to work effectively with both metal and plastic water pipes. Whether it's copper, PVC, or stainless steel, it provides reliable freeze protection for all materials. Experience advanced self-regulating technology that automatically adjusts heating power based on ambient conditions. This intelligent feature prevents overheating and ensures efficient, dependable pipe freeze protection. Our heating cable features a built-in thermostat that activates at 38°F and deactivates at 50°F. This smart system operates only when necessary, providing optimal energy efficiency and protecting your pipes from freezing. What we like. For those who prioritize safety and comprehensive certification, this is the one to consider. If you're looking for peace of mind with a fully certified product for both residential and commercial use, especially for long pipe runs, its self-regulating technology ensures efficiency and protection. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and provides consistent heat. It effectively prevents pipes from freezing even in very cold temperatures. The self-regulating feature ensures it doesn't overheat, making it safe to use. Number 3. MAXKOSKO 3 feet Pipe Freeze Protection Heating Cable. Introducing the MAXKOSKO heating cable, your ultimate solution for pipe freeze protection. It efficiently prevents frozen pipes, ensuring water flows even in extreme cold down to -40°F. Our advanced self-regulating technology intelligently adjusts heat output, preventing overheating or burnout. It's designed for optimal performance and safety. This energy-saving cable features a built-in thermostat that activates heating only when necessary, starting at 38°F. It conserves energy by heating precisely when needed. Installation is a breeze with our pre-assembled cable. You can easily set it up yourself in just 4 simple steps, ensuring quick and hassle-free protection. It works perfectly on both metal and plastic pipes, safeguarding your water supply in homes, RVs, and more. Protect pipes up to 2 inches in diameter from freezing. Built to last, this heating cable is not perishable and will not expire. It provides reliable freeze protection year after year, maintaining its effectiveness. What we like. If you need a short, efficient solution for protecting pipes in RVs, inlet pipes, or even specific outdoor fixtures, this is a fantastic choice. Its self-regulating feature means it only uses energy when needed, making it perfect for those who want to save on electricity bills while ensuring pipe safety. What people say. The tape is easy to apply and provides consistent heat. It effectively prevents pipes from freezing even in very cold temperatures. Number 2. Kingdder self-regulating heat cable for pipe freeze protection. Introducing the Kingdder heat cable, designed to protect your water pipes from freezing. This self-regulating cable ensures reliable performance all winter long. You'll receive a 100-foot pre-assembled heating cable, providing ample length for various applications. It's ready to use right out of the package. Built with a modified polyolefin inner insulation and a weather-resistant TPE outer sheath, this cable is both safe and durable. Its self-adjusting temperature design saves energy and offers peace of mind. This heating cable is perfect for protecting metal or plastic gutters, downpipes, and sloping roofs. It's compatible with most roof and gutter setups. Installation is a breeze thanks to its pre-assembled design and plug. Simply wrap it around your pipes or lay it on your roof, plug it in, and it's ready to go. Enjoy maintenance-free operation with this self-adjusting cable. It won't short-circuit or burn even if it overlaps, making it safe for flat and metal roofs without the risk of overheating. What we like. This is your go-to for larger projects, especially if you need to protect extensive pipe systems or de-ice roofs and gutters. If you're dealing with significant lengths of piping or want a versatile solution for both water pipes and roof snow removal, its generous length and robust construction are ideal. What people say. The tape is easy to install and provides consistent heat. It effectively prevents pipes from freezing even in very cold temperatures. Number 1. HEATIT Mobile Home Heat Cable HTM Braid. Cut this heating cable to your exact needs for custom installations. It's perfect for both residential and commercial projects, offering a tailored solution every time. Designed for mobile homes and other dry applications, this system provides essential freeze protection. It safeguards residential metal or plastic water supply and drain pipes from freezing temperatures. Experience intelligent heating with its self-regulating technology. It automatically adjusts heat output based on the surrounding temperature, minimizing the risk of overheating. Built with a tinned copper braid that acts as both a jacket and ground, this cable ensures reliable performance and enhanced safety. It's ETL approved for your peace of mind. Installation is straightforward with the right tools and our connection kit. Once insulated, simply plug it in and test for warm water to confirm it's working effectively. What we like. If you're working on a mobile home or need a custom-length solution for dry applications, this cable offers great flexibility. Its ability to be cut to size means you won't waste material, and the durable construction provides reliable freeze protection for residential metal or plastic pipes in these specific settings. What people say. The tape is easy to install and provides consistent heat. It effectively prevents pipes from freezing even in very cold temperatures. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.